Hey guys, this is RTX Meatlug, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can install uh, Intel beta drivers for your integrated graphics card by Intel on your laptop or desktop computer absolutely well without any problems or issues properly. So basically, if you have a pre-built computer, okay, if you have a pre-built computer, let it be a laptop or a desktop, then whenever you install normal drivers or beta drivers from Intel's official website and then open the setup to install that particular driver for your Intel integrated graphics, then what happens is that it shows an error message saying that the drivers aren't validated for your computer. This is the biggest error, and as you can see on your screen, this is how the error looks. So basically, this is actually the biggest error which occurs while installing drivers on a pre-built computer, let it be a laptop or desktop. And this happens because the manufacturer of your computer, the manufacturing company of your computer, wants you to download the latest drivers for your computer for the Intel HD or Intel UHD graphics in it, integrated graphics in it, from their particular website. They don't want you to go on any other website, even if that is Intel's official website, to download and install the latest drivers for your Intel integrated graphics, or basically the beta drivers for your Intel integrated graphics. But you can actually download and install uh, beta drivers for your Intel integrated graphics really easily without any problems whatsoever. And this trick is really simple to do. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
So as you can see guys, I'm on the official Intel website for downloading the beta drivers for my Intel integrated graphics of my computer. So usually you get two choices to download any drivers, whether it's the normal one or the beta versions. Uh, so when you download these drivers, you get the choices to download it in two formats: .exe setup format or .zip file format. Okay, so usually people download it in .exe setup format. But if you have a pre-built computer by a manufacturer, let it be a desktop or laptop, then as I said, a validation error would occur if you use the .exe setup file to automatically install the drivers. But if you use this .zip file, the .zip file to install the drivers manually, then that error won't occur. And that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. Now I have installed one beta driver in .zip format, and let me show you guys that particular driver. I'm gonna go in my downloads, and this is the driver I'm talking about, IGFX Windows 10. This is the .zip file of that beta driver for my Intel integrated graphics of this computer. And as you can see, these are the files inside that .zip file for the beta drivers. This is the content of the beta drivers. Okay, so what you need to do is that you need to press on extract to using an application such as WinRAR or 7-zip and extract it anywhere you want. I've already done so. I have extracted it on my desktop in this folder right here, Intel integrated graphics beta, and as you can see, all the content is inside here. Once you have done that, once you have extracted the contents inside that particular .zip file, you'll need to open Device Manager and then go on Display Adapters. And as you can see, Intel UHD Graphics 620, this is my integrated graphics of this computer. So you need to select on it and then right click and press on Properties. Once you have pressed on Properties, go on Driver and then select on Update Driver. Once you're here, press on Browse My Computer for driver software, and then you need to press on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Once you're here, you need to press on Have Disk, and once you're here, now you can finally press on Browse. And then you need to basically locate to the folder where we extracted the content of the beta drivers .zip file, and I have extracted it here in this folder as I just showed you guys. And once you are inside here in this folder where you have extracted the content, you need to open the graphics subfolder and then select the file ending with .inf, and you need to select this ext or eng so that you install the English version of the drivers. Once you have selected it, press on open, and then finally press on OK to start installing the drivers. Okay, so basically you need to press on OK and then press on next, and then the drivers will be installed. Now I'm not going to do that because I have already done that. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. That's how you do it. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now.